In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and choose passwords and security. Now click on face unlock and enter your current login method. Then choose start, wait 5 seconds and choose next. Following that, just remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can name your face data however you want to, tap on done and manage all of those options however you want to. When you're ready, just home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to unlock my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!